Hello all you melodica players. Today we are going to learn how to play Happy Birthday. It's a great song. It's a simple song. You're ready to go at any celebration and this goes anywhere. So great. There's a tutorial that I'm going to put on my website as well. That's just 1 minute long, but I want to do it live as well. And I'm going to show you a few tricks to add some chords and things at some key points. Okay, so let's get started here. And I'm starting the video at about, 4 or 5 seconds. I'm gonna scroll down so you can see what's on the screen and hopefully also my fingers as well. So here we go. Let's get this party started here. Okay, here's C. There it is. So happy birthday. So ba-da-da, C-C-F-E, da-da. All right, that big leap is C to C. Thumb, I'd use thumb, and then pinky up to the C. And that's an F chord, C, A, and F. And then the E, D, and da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay? Now, if there's a few spots you can do some cool chords. So that's an E note. You can add the C to it really easily. There's my F note. If you want, you could add a C note or even an A, or you could go down the octave with the F if you wanted. And then the C to C. And here's a D note. You could easily add the B flat, the black note. So at the end, when you hit that F, you could add a C. Or an A as well, or that low F is really nice, F, C, F. Okay, so there's some options. Happy birthday for you. Enjoy a great tune for the family.